Protection against EM radiation.
The average person usually doesn't realize that they are spoiling their health by innocently clicking away on the computer or talking on a cordless phone. A host of devastating diseases caused by electromagnetic fields is a serious modern concern, and exposure is almost impossible to avoid. But with diet and a measure of awareness, the dangers of EMFs can be reduced.
There are three broad ways in which we can protect ourselves: unplug and preserve wellness, prevent and damage, limiting exposure and staying healthy.
Unplug and preserve wellness. Completely avoiding electromagnetic radiation is impossible, yet minimizing exposure lessens the damaging impact on health. The first rule of thumb is to turn off and unplug appliances when not in use. Avoid DECT technology. It transmits a strong radio frequency signal even when idle. Keep the handset away from the body by activating speaker mode.
Prevent and repair damage. Grounding the body as well as using key foods and supplements improves resistance to EMFs. Earthing is an excellent practice to ward off the harmful effects of electromagnetic fields. Simply stand barefoot on a dewy patch of grass or walk along a sandy beach for at least 10 minutes each day. A nutrient-rich diet is also essential. In addition, consuming high oxygen radical absorbance capacity foods is vital to prevent and heal DNA damage from EMFs.
Limiting exposure and staying healthy. We are surrounded and bombarded by electromagnetic radiation. Blocking exposure is difficult, but there are a few small steps you can take. For one, do not keep cell phones, laptops, and tablets close to your body, and if it's not being used, shut them off. There are also a number of devices available to counteract electromagnetic frequencies.
Let us join hand in hand to mitigate the problem.